had an early on a session where we were just looking at the equipment check-in sheet, which is essentially a bill of lading. So when an asset comes back to us at Relam, in the past, we had a piece of paper that the technician would fill out: carrier, serial, hours, customer, condition. That piece of paper, along with a digital camera, would be used to, take photographs to document the condition as an asset was shipped or as it was returned. And we started with that as low-hanging fruit because it was a one-page document, and we had our technician use it, just test it for a week, and he sat in on that discovery session and was quick to point out that iMarq only allowed for 4 photos where he was used to taking up to 12. And very quickly in that meeting, Prabhu was able to pivot, add the lines that were needed for additional photographs, represent it back to us in probably 15 minutes, Satish, and pretty much cemented, at least with our technicians, that if they had a concern or if there was a workaround or something needed to change, that it could be addressed very quickly. And once we got past that first hurdle, the next week you took one of our robust forms and brought it back to us to present it to us in a manner that was essentially the same, albeit not black and white. Now we're in a digital platform, but it gave some of our senior techs comfort that you would be able to do what you said you could do. So user adoption is key in any implementation across work segments. And the focus that iMarq and the team put on the technician, in this case, our welders, fabricators, electricians, and mechanics, was impressive. They understood the world and the environment that they were in. They had been used to implementing it with these sorts of teams before. You alluded to it with the speak to text, the photographs. It's a very easy app for them to use. It's like any other application that you would have on your smartphone or your tablet. So user adoption is key. And in this case, we've had some pushback, but I would say we're 90+% on acceptance. And it is a very early rollout, but so far so good.